Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's poppin'? What's good in the hood? We are live. It's happening. It's, what do we call this? Thirsty Thursdays? Wild Thursdays? Something like that. Right now, the NASDAQ, we got news this morning. The QQQ pretty much exactly where we closed at yesterday. So, not much of a gap to the upside or to the downside here. So, we'll see. We'll see what we're going to get today. Good morning. Good morning. We are live. Doing it well. We're doing it and doing it and doing it well. Do-do-do-do. Oh, buddy. Looking here at the NASDAQ right now, holding up at the 80 level. We got the VWAP at the 90s. Get back above that VWAP. We got we're at the all-time highs. Another squeeze today possible. The bulls are in control right now, it seems. So we are looking good for the bulls. They get back above the VWAP here. They ran the overnight low, and hey, it's time to party, my friends. Time to party. Time to party. Oh, my baby. Oh. The green screen is looking good today. Green screen. I polished the green screen up. All right, all right. Looking at the NASDAQ right now. The overnight low getting taken out. So we took out the overnight low. And, well, a lot of people would believe that taking out the overnight low would lead us to basically now try to push up and take out this high from earlier there at the 124 level. So let's see what happens here. Right now, holding up at the 80s. Got that VWAP there at the 91s. 91s VWAPing. If we can just get back up there, 15-minute chart right now, you can see the overnight just pretty much going sideways. We got this area of support that we ran, the overnight low there. So looking to see, get back above the VWAP here, push up. We got the next pivot point up there, 19,211. After that, 19,348. So we got some action, baby. We had the news come out here this morning at 8:30. And, well, we will see what happens. What happens? What happens? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, retesting the VWAP now. VWAP there at the 90s. Got to get back above that VWAP level. That 19,100 area. Looking juicy now. Looking juicy. Oh, buddy, she's a squeezing. Right now, pushing back up there to the VWAP, right through the VWAP there at the 90s now. So let's say we get back above that 19,100 area. If the bulls want to go, the bulls. Diego, you see the gap on the QQQ, 454, 457. You are not wrong, my friend. The problem is now we're just up here at the all-time highs. And it's kind of like, you know, the market does not, the market's not always at all-time highs. So it definitely, it creates interesting price action. So we'll see how that's going to play out here today. What do we got in terms of, we got any more news today? Nothing really out of the ordinary in terms of news. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Right now, the NASDAQ trying to push through that 100 level. We get back above that 100 level, kind of turn this, get a little bull flag going. Might look for some longs up here, just being patient. Being patient. Tomorrow we've got more news as well. Non-farm payroll tomorrow morning at 8:30. So lots of numbers tomorrow and today. So we should get some good action here. Yeah, get some action, baby. We like that action. Right now the NASDAQ trying to get through the hundreds here. All right, we're above the VWAP now, trying to turn that VWAP area into support. I'd like to see just a little bit of a bull flag here. Some kind of bull flag situation. Sometimes when the market just doesn't move, I'm like, is my internet broken? Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart here. 2-minute chart. This is actually the ES we're looking at. Sorry. This is the ES we're looking at right now, trying to push back up. The NASDAQ right there at the 19,100. Again, back down there to the VWAP for now. Back to the VWAP for now. Trying to turn that VWAP level into support. Dollars up at a pivot point as well, so VWAP turning into support, baby. VWAP, wop, wop, wop. The blue line on the chart right now, the Dow and the ES, the dollar pulling back here. She's looking prime. She's looking ready. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Ooh. Yeah, quite the move yesterday. After that choppy morning, the NASDAQ making that big move. Like I said, man, I was like, as soon as I walk away from this choppy action, the market's gonna go to the moon or go down. 200 point big move, I basically said. So just sitting back here. We are waiting. We are watching. Good news, by the way, my offer on the new house or condo or whatever you want to call it that I'm buying, they accepted my offer. So all cash, baby. Pew! Real estate mogul, Patrick Wieland. I think NASDAQ really wants that 100 area to break out here. Right now, turning that VWAP into support there. The condo was $200,000. Hey, how's the skin doing? By the way, you lack pigment. Guess what, Keith? Go fuck yourself. All right, NASDAQ getting real tight here. VWAP, 19,100 to get that push through there. Five-minute chart right now. We already ran the overnight low there. So we ran the overnight low. My instinct now is that we push up here after running that overnight low. There's no gap or anything. Well, there's the gap from yesterday, but this market has just been absolutely on crack lately. So, see what happens here. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef, bro. Come on. Is that a real question? All right, so the market right now just consolidating right here at the VWAP. Need to basically put in this higher low, well, put in this lower, higher low here. We don't want to get stuck below that 100 area. This is the 5-minute chart we're looking at right now. Back to the 2-minute chart. Need to basically get this pop through that 100 area. Still respecting the VWAP for now. Still respecting. We got plenty of time here till the market opens up as well, so no rush. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. Don't overcomplicate it. Keep it easy, people. Just basically consolidating right now in the middle here between the high and low before that news came out. So dollar getting some strength again, is pushing back up. Will you get denied a payout if you've been averaging $800 a day? Why would you get denied a payout if you're averaging $800 daily? What do you, why would you get denied? That makes no sense. People ask the weirdest questions. Patrick, I made $500 every day. Am I going to get denied? But why? But think about it. Why would you get denied if you average $800? Why? But why? Well, like, well, think about it. What do you? Why is that even like a question? Nowhere in the rules does it say with Apex that you are not allowed to make $800 per day. All right, NASDAQ in trouble here with this VWAP for now, so got to save the VWAP. Whew. Bouncing off that little previous area of resistance there at the 87s. As of right now, just kind of sitting here, consolidating, pulling back here, trying to build out a little flag. Again, a little push up there to the 95s. What time does the market open at? 6:30 a.m. Pacific time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Always the same for the last 30 years, 40 years, I don't know. Good morning, good morning. Right now the NASDAQ trying to break out here through that 100 level next. Let's see if we get it. Right there at the VWAP for now. Holding up at the VWAP for now. We got that overnight high up there before those numbers came out at the 19,120s. I think through the 19,100s, we gotta push up here. Dollar once again pulling back. Bum, 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 bum. We got 20 minutes till market opens here today. Yesterday, the market going straight to the moon. The NASDAQ just did not want to stop. Had that weird consolidation in the morning, and then pretty much like middle of the day, we went to the moon. So let's see what happens here today. I'm just trying to make a little bit of money every day, baby. Keeps the doctor away or the bills away or something like that. We got the ES, the NASDAQ, both looking bullish here, trying to get back up there. I think we kind of want to take out that high. Take out the high from the overnight. More squeezy squeezes. Right there at the VWAP for now, consolidating. Got the ES, the NASDAQ, both just consolidating right there for now. I'm trying to turn that VWAP into support. Can she do it? With a push like yesterday, is it more likely to drop today? I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say it's more likely to drop, but we'll see what the price action does today. Once again, respecting the VWAP. Non-farm payroll tomorrow as well. NASDAQ once again pushing back up here. Little manipulation, taking out that low just to push it right back up. Up there through the hundreds now. All right, through the hundreds there. Can we push? Can we push? I feel like they want to kind of run that high one more time here. We'll see. Once again, respecting the VWAP there. Just kind of chopping there right below the hundreds now. So the overnight pretty much going sideways there, and right now we're at the VWAP for now. So NASDAQ trying to make up its mind which way it wants to go. The high in that last 15-minute candle, 102, so. NASDAQ just chopping here at the VWAP for now. Been going sideways for the last 20 minutes or so here. Dollar's trying to push up now. So hi. Need to get above that 19,100 area strong here right now. Just stuck below there, going sideways on the VWAP for now. Does the McLaren sound much different with the exhaust? It does. Sound much louder. More, you can hear the turbos more and stuff. Very tight range here on the 15-minute chart. Riding off the VWAP there. We get that push up. Boo, boo, boo. Again, trying to push off the VWAP. We got the market open here in 9 minutes. 9 minutes till the market opens. $19,100. It's there. It's there. All right, we got 8 minutes till market opens up. Going back over the setup here, you can see the overnight low. We already ran the overnight low. The NASDAQ, the high from earlier, 124s up there. So, through the hundreds, through the hundreds. Bow, 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 bow. Not very often do you get a trade with pretty much at the all-time highs like this. I've been trading for a long time, and not often are we at all-time highs. I would say price action at all-time highs is a little different than normal price action. So, gotta be careful. Gotta stay alive. We got non-farm payroll news tomorrow. There's that push up through the hundreds now. She's going 19,100. Do. Oh, buddy, we got 5 minutes till market opens. Right now, the NASDAQ bouncing off the VWAP beautifully there. Up through the 19,100 now. And, yeah, she's a go-in. On the QQQ, we got a little bit of a gap from the close yesterday. Like, pretty much the low that we made earlier is the close from yesterday. On the NASDAQ right now, what do we got in terms of pivot points? We got a pivot point up there, 19,200 level. So it's going to be a wild day. You can see the ranges here. Big range in the pivots. So 953 pivot, 211 pivot to the upside. We're holding this overnight low right now. There's the push once again, 19,000 through the 19,100s now. She's still going. Why'd you pick that color McLaren? Because I thought it was a cool color. It's also like nostalgic. It's like that is the McLaren orange, you know? So that's the color, baby. All right, so the NASDAQ still pushing 19,112s. It's a background. It's green screen. Best green screen around. It's actually a fake McLaren. I just put it there. It's made out of cardboard. How much did that car cost? $240,000. And then that over there is the new Hummer. There's no engine in the car. I couldn't afford the engine. Did you put the McLaren on I-95? I have, yeah. All right, we got 2 minutes, my friends. 2 minutes till market opens. It's going to be a wild ride. Should have got the Cybertruck instead of the Hummer. Have you driven a Cybertruck? Have you driven a Hummer? People that tell me how to live my life, I always wonder, have you actually done either of those things? The Cybertruck is literally like the fit and finish. The fit and finish on a Cybertruck. It looks like I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a very, very bad fit and finish. Cybertruck is bulletproof. Yeah, well, I'm not sure I'm going to war anytime soon. All right, we got 20 seconds, my friends. It's time. The market is ready to party. Drink Bacardi with the market. Need some better music here. Let me see what we got. You ever think about like this? The market opens and the whole entire world is waiting. Like everybody's sitting here looking at the market right now, and we're sitting here looking at it like, wow, millions of people sitting here looking. All right, back down there to the VWAP for now. Dollar's moving down. NASDAQ's moving down. Can we hold the VWAP there? Can you hold the VWAP? Typical move here. Testing a level once again. We do have the gap fill on the QQQ. Don't forget about a little tiny gap there, a little gap in the chart. It'd be great to see that drop down there again, retest the lows for a double bottom, be a real nice signal. So let's see if we're gonna get it. I feel like this is very similar price action to the last few mornings where we like hold a certain level and we keep testing it and then finally we have a big move afterwards. So trying to be patient here. I will not take a short here this morning just because this market has been absolutely stupid. So we're still holding up there at the VWAP. That 105 level got to get through that 105 and then run the highs one more time. Let's see if they're going to do it right here, right now. Pushing through the 10s, the 11s, the 12s, 13s. That 14 level got to get through, and then you've got the 23, 24 level up there. So the NASDAQ trying to go. Dollar selling off here. Back to the VWAP again. The ES is trying to push up. The NASDAQ stuck here. Dollar's sitting down at the low, trying to pull back. The YM just bounced off the pivot. I think NASDAQ wants to make a new high here just to run those stops up there. Squeeze the shorts. Once again, denied up there. This is pretty much exactly like the all week long, this price action, just terrible at open. The ES is trying to make a new high right now. I think the NASDAQ wants it. QQQ is ripping off the VWAP as well. Oh, buddy. Come on, NASDAQ. Do something here. Do something, NASDAQ. You know what's gonna happen? It's just gonna do some stupid rip here now. Just some stupid rip straight up or some bullshit. Just classic. NASDAQ once again denied there. That 110 level, we got to get through that 110 level. Then we're probably fucking gonna rip up 30, 40 points. So let's see what happens there. We got to get through that little resistance there. 115s, I guess. 115s kind of got to get through. So as of right now, NASDAQ just stuck here. We're above the VWAP. We're trying to do something, but just look at that. Denied, back to back. I feel like it's Groundhog Day. Once again, NASDAQ doing what it was doing. The ES is showing strength. Dollar is weak. All right, the ES is all trying to break out here. Will the NASDAQ follow the ES higher? Need a big old boner candle through that 15 level to squeeze the shorts. You know the shorts are sitting there trying to hold it down right now. Big boner candle. Let's see if we get it. Big old boner candle. $15s once again. Oh my baby Jesus. The Great Wall of China right there, baby. Great Wall of China. Well, the high on that candle, 1575. They just popped it right up there just to bring it back down here again. The ES is trying to take out the overnight high here. NASDAQ trying to push as well. Need more strength. More action. Dollar's pulling back. The ES is now trying to push up there through the overnight high. You can see here on the ES right now, 5,371. That overnight high is 372. So the ES is now pushing above, trying to push above that 70 level here, which was those numbers that came out. So still holding there at the VWAP as well. Oh gosh. This music right now is like the perfect music for this song. There's no more news today, by the way. No more news. The big news came out at 8:30 this morning. Ba 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 bum. If you guys haven't already done, hit that like button. We get some more likes, I'll do a giveaway here. I need more likes, baby. Come on, help me help you, people. Help me help you. All right, we are now just sitting here. The ES is pushing up there through the highs. Nasdaq's gotta go. Nasdaq's just gotta go now. The Dow, everybody's ripping. Everything's ripping straight up right now. The Dow, the ES. You can see the ES just broke out here, trying to break out over the overnight high right now, 72s. The Dow just made an all-time high as well. Or no, the Dow has pushed up. Maybe they broke the overnight high. Nasdaq, what you doing? Nasdaq is playing games. Nasdaq's playing games, man. There goes the ES. ES making new highs. Nasdaq just sitting here lagging. What's Nvidia doing right now? Nvidia pulling back here, holding the Nasdaq down. Nvidia back to the pivot point there. We got a pivot point on Nvidia right there. So let's see if that's gonna bounce. If Nvidia can bounce here and start pushing back up, take the Nasdaq up as well. Look at this chart on this thing. Nvidia just go into the moon. Oh, baby Jesus. Would you just look at it? Nvidia, moon, moon, moon. Look at that, it's just insane. Look at this fucking move. Look at the gaps in the chart on this thing. God damn. God damn, boys. Look at this thing. Oh my God. It's wild. Nvidia's in trouble. Pulling the Nasdaq down here. Oh gosh. All right, NVIDIA in trouble, bringing the look. It's funny because the NASDAQ and NVIDIA right now look exactly the same. That's the NVIDIA chart. That's the NASDAQ chart. NVIDIA, NASDAQ. NVIDIA, NASDAQ. NASDAQ, NVIDIA. NASDAQ, NVIDIA. Oh, buddy. We are looking for action here today. The market is doing wild stuff, my friends. Wild stuff here. Oh, gosh. Also, we're getting the gap fill on the QQQ right now. Look at that Q chart. QQQ right now down there to fill the gap pretty much from the close yesterday. We'll see if we bounce here now. Bouncing it back up. The 15-minute range, look at that. On the NASDAQ now. You had the low of that 15-minute candle. And we broke right through it. I don't know. I'm just like... just not loving the shorts right now. Just not really loving the price action right now, I guess is the best way to put it. The only way that I'd be looking to get short is if we get below the low here. You know, I just want to be careful. A lot of support overnight at this level for now. We had the low after that data came out. Pivot point to the downside, 18,953. So. Oh, buddy. The market turning red right now. The NASDAQ just turned red. The Dow going straight up. Dollar not looking too strong. Just trying to not do anything stupid here. Just trying to not do anything stupid here, you know? No stupidness, please. And look at that, right back up there again. Ugh. You got the QQQ holding pretty much the gap fill area now, so if we can get back above the VWAP, I think I start looking for a long, but for now, just kind of be waiting. Patience. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me hit the like button. We need more likes, more love in the chat. All right, so we're retesting the 15-minute range now. Dollar's looking weak. QQQ filled the gap. So now we're looking at the 1-minute chart. We're stuck below the 15-minute range here. Oh. Decisions, my friends. Right here, right now. What do we do? Take the short off the 15-minute range. Look for a move down through the 60s. It seems to be the play. Testing that 60 level again. And chopped it back up there again. You gotta love it. The inverted Nessie. Oh yeah, no, I didn't see that. Look, the Nessie's putting its head down. I'm an artist, basically. I'm an artist. What can I say, people? I'm a fucking artist. Other YouTubers are out there thinking that they're #1 day trader on YouTube, but little do they know, I'm not only the #1 day trader on YouTube, I'm also the #1 artist on YouTube. I don't know why. Why is it so hard to short right here? It's real hard. It's real hard to short right here. I don't know why. I just feel like it's just not a good start. I feel like if it does sell through 60s, there's a lot of downside potential here. Right? Down there to the 20s, 19,020, but I feel like it's also could easily just be a face ripper back up here. Like we literally, like we had this price action here, and then now it's like the same price action down here, just like barcoding after dropping from the hundreds down to the 60s. I don't know, man. I don't know. Just not in love with it. Ugh. Nvidia is going straight down right now, so you can see the Nvidia chart ding, ding, ding to the downside. As long as that continues, NASDAQ will follow. I don't like it. I don't like it. I just don't like it, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. There it is, through the 60s now, down there to the 50s. I just don't, I don't have a exact reason to why I don't like it, but I don't like it. No trade, yeah, I get it. No trade is a good trade sometimes. I feel like a lot of times if I have a trade, if I have a setup that I'm looking for, you know, I can visualize it. I can see it happening. Right now, I'm visualizing me getting long, right? Or getting short right here and then it ripping up 100 points. Like, that's my visual. You know, like, that's what I'm like, fuck. That's what I'm kind of afraid. That's what I'm thinking about. And I don't want to go into a trade thinking about that. You know? I could be totally wrong, you know? I could be totally wrong. But it's better to be wrong about not taking a trade than be wrong when you take a trade and you lose money. You know, it's nothing. It don't cost anything to not take trade, to take a trade, you know? I mean, we talked about this exact move happening, you know, through the, basically getting stuck here at the 70s, getting that move through the 50s. So, she's going. And now I don't want to have FOMO, right? Like, the last thing that I want to do is have FOMO now. The Nvidia right now is just getting murdered right now. Well, not murdered, but it's just been down, 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 taking the NASDAQ with it, so. The guy in the chat that said, I told you short. Well, guess what? I told you buy. Do you really think that I'm going to listen to some random name in the chat that says to get short? Like, I mean, come on. Do you really think so? Do you think I'm gonna be like, hey, the guy in the chat said to get short. Okay, I'm getting short. It's time. Like, if I wanted someone to tell me when to take a bad trade, I would go watch rips on YouTube, so. Hey, look, now it's going back up. Ever since the person in the chat said, I told you to get short. LOL, Rips made 16,000 today. Oh, well. Wow, did he do that, really? He lost 20 yesterday, lost 20 the day before. Oh my God, he's so good. How did he get so good? How did Rips get so good? I gotta get better, guys. I'm doing something wrong. I've just got to figure this out. Give me some time. I'll learn how to trade just like Rips one day too, okay? I'll learn how to do it. Don't you worry. I'm going to figure it out, everybody. At some point, I'm going to figure out how am I ever going to make any money? How is he ever going to do it? I don't know. No. Oh, God. Whoa. Hey, if Rips gets to trade fucking evaluation accounts, then I get to do it, all right? Go fuck yourself. I don't know. Profit is profit, I guess. So I don't know. If Rips made 16,000, how much is that? Yeah, no. I think I still win. I think I still win. You throw more shade than any YouTube trader. Motherfucker, I am. I started this. You gotta remember, I want y'all to remember something. I started this motherfucking game. Right, I started this. I don't throw shade. I am the motherfucking #1 day trader. I started this game. Who the fuck is Rips? Some random motherfucker that tried to become a YouTuber that's been trading for 15 years. What? Been doing this for my whole life. This is exactly why I did not want to get short. This is exactly why I didn't want... Ryan, what do you mean copy trading 20 accounts is different? Rips literally trades fucking combines all day on his fucking stream. What are you gonna come at me? He's trading fucking combines. Like, who the fuck... Why is he trading combines if he's so fucking good at trading? Think about that. You know? Last month was Nutty. This month is Rips. Next month it might be you, Asia. So this is exactly what I was trying to avoid. This move, ripping back up like that. So I'm happy that I did not take a short down here at the low like the chat was telling me to do. Probably a good idea to not listen to the chat. No, you know, so, you know. Patrick, how are you going to pay ICT? Why the fuck would I pay ICT anything? ICT is gonna pay me. ICT is gonna pay me. Why would I pay him? He's not even on the board. He hasn't even posted about the Robbins Cup. He talked so much shit for so long about, oh, how he's gonna win Robbins Cup. Gonna win. I'm gonna win the Robbins Cup. What has he done? Nothing. Come on, are you guys like, honestly, like, I just wonder, like, are people that believe that ICT is gonna win the Robbins Cup, like, are you a full moron or are you just kind of a moron? Like, are you a full moron or are you a, like, part moron? You know what I mean? Like, I'm just wondering. You know, like, are you fully moron or are you only a little bit moron? I just, you know, I'm just wondering, you know, I just wonder. You know, just wondering. Guys, the fair value gap is not a fucking, it's not ICT's concept. It's a volume imbalance. ICT just makes up names and then calls it whatever he wants and then tells his disciples that he created the market algorithm. Come on. Come on. Why did traders have to be so toxic? I think it's because the haters, you know, think about it. Like, if you're a successful trader, you know, you're not going to spend time on YouTube talking shit, you know? So, well, wait, I just hurt myself. I'm a YouTuber. You know? I'm a YouTuber, damn it. I'm allowed to talk shit. But, you know, for the random people in my chat who come in here and talk shit, it's like, what do you gain from it? You know, I get the money. I make money from people watching my videos. So I make money. What do you gain, you know? No, I'm allowed to talk shit because I'm a YouTuber, you know? I'm a YouTuber, it's different. You're a YouTuber that trades, not a trader that starts a channel. Correct. Oh, Jack Fox. Hi, con artist. Hey, everybody, I'm a con artist. That's my favorite. I've tricked everybody to believe that I'm the best trader in the world. Ha ha! Ha ha! Ugh. Have you tried crab walking the Hummer? I have tried crab walking the Hummer. I just can't figure it out, to be honest. The crab walk don't work so good. You ever wonder what the let me see. It's not a lot of room in there. It's not a lot of room. Don't worry though. I got tools. Like, who the fuck is using these tools? Nobody. What's this tool? Oh shit. What's this thing doing? Does this thing have a... I wonder where the spare tire is, actually. There's a jack in there, but I don't think there's a spare tire. Does the McLaren have a tire underneath it? How do you get it out of there? I don't think it has a spare tire. I couldn't imagine trying to I wouldn't... If I had a flat tire, I would definitely not... I would definitely not try to change my tire. All right, so the NASDAQ. What are we doing? We're just chopping around here, man. Caleb Hudson. Pat, I've never heard you talk about the time that you spent with Stephen Kalasian. I made a whole video about it. What did I take away from that experience? I learned, honestly, that was kind of the turning point for me to start trading futures. You know, I started trading futures pretty much after kind of meeting Stephen Kalasian. Yeah, so that was kind of where I started out at. So I feel like this thing wants to push back up here now. Do you enjoy the Hummer? To be honest, like, I like it, but I'm not sure I like love it, you know? And I don't know if it's like a love. I've been looking at some other options out there, to be honest. I don't know. I just bought a new house, so I gotta deal with that. I gotta furnish the new condo so I can rent it out, do some short-term rentals, make some money. Cash flow, baby. The nice thing about paying cash for a house is that I now don't have to Worst come to worst, if I lose everything, if I lose all my money and I never day trade ever again and everything fails, at least I have somewhere to live. You know, the Raptor is more fun, but so many problems. I've never had one problem with my Raptor. Not one problem. Like zero, like not one problem with the Raptor. Once ICT sues you, you still got a house. Why would ICT sue me? Think about that. Why would ICT sue? Why would he sue me? For him losing the Robin's Cup? I doubt it. You can't sue somebody for exposing you, by the way. I've already been sued multiple times for defamation, and I won every single case. So, yeah, you can't sue somebody for talking about you. I just want to point out, too, not to keep beating a dead horse, but 3 months ago, Inner Circle Trader, ICT, wrote that the leaderboard doesn't lie, right? It doesn't lie. Then he wrote on March 1st, 2024, he will log into his account and show every daily statement. Show every broker statement from the single account used. Yeah, well, guess what? Let's see who still doesn't join on March 6th. He never posted shit. He hasn't posted anything about his accounts. He hasn't posted anything showing anything other than just fucking paper trading. That's the only thing he's shown. So, no, the difference between a defamation, like there's difference, right? Defamation is you basically going after somebody with like false information. You know, like if I basically made a video saying that ICT, I don't know what to really say, but like let's say something very outlandish. You know, if I said ICT touched me inappropriately, and I made a video about that, this obviously is a total hypothetical fucking situation. But if I said something that's not true, and then I made a whole video about it, that's defamation. That's slander. But if I make a video saying that I believe that ICT is not going to win the Robin's Cup and he is a fraud, well, that's a very, very factual, you know, that's very factual, basically. So, because ICT has not once actually shown anything of value in terms of what he does as a trader other than a paper trading account. So, you know, my whole argument with ICT has always been, if he's literally the best trader to ever live, why does he not trade real money? He says that it's because he doesn't need the money, but that's just weird. You know, like, I've never met anyone that's like so rich that they're like, Patrick, I'm gonna spend all my time trading a demo account, posting videos on YouTube, but I don't need the money. Like, what? How does that work? ICT is not selling courses. Oh, trust me, he made millions of dollars selling his mentorship. And now he's making $100,000 a month from his YouTube channel. So he's making money off of his followers. Don't worry. Somebody says, someone said that his concepts work, but he can't control his emotions. But that's the thing, right? At the end of the day, you can have a strategy based on the VWAP, right? Let's say you only trade the VWAP. That's your whole entire strategy. Every time the market touches the VWAP, you take a trade. Well, it might work. It could work, right? It could work 100%. But it's like, do you have the discretion to know when to take a trade versus not take a trade? The emotion, like every strategy basically works, you know? Think about that. Every single strategy there is in the entire world, it does work. You know, if you have it. So, you know, you gotta address that, I guess, you know. I've never once said that the idea of ICT concepts doesn't work. I've always said that the guy that claims to be the creator of the algorithm, that claims to be the best trader in the entire world, he isn't actually what he claims to be, which I feel like is, you know, a very, very fair description, basically. So right now the NASDAQ looking just choppy and shitty, and I'm just staying out of it for now. I could walk away right now. I'm still in the green. Nothing wrong with walking away. As you can see, taking some trades here. Got the evals we played around with, and then taking trades in the PA account, stacking it up, the profits, getting those payouts. So yeah. Pat, one more trade for good luck. I mean, if something looks good, I might trade it, but right now it don't look that good. For anybody that's wondering what indicator I use a Lux Algo Price Action Concepts indicator there. There's a link in the chat if you want to learn more. We got the VWAP on there. We've got the pivot points, pretty much my go-to strategy. We've got this indicator as well that I really don't, I guess I don't talk about it all the time, but it is cool. You can see how we filled the gap there on the QQQ. This is the 15-minute setup, the 15-minute opening range. This is a free indicator on TradingView if you want to check it out. Lux Algo, market flow, trend lines, and liquidity. I worked with Lux Algo to create this indicator, actually. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on right now. But if we just look pretty much at this indicator alone, I would say it's a lot better in a trending market, obviously. You can see, like, yesterday, you had a buy signal when we broke above that trend. Big move up. You had another break of trend. The B does not mean buy, it means break of trend. So you basically have a trend line here. This is pretty much like what I do manually. You'll see me a lot of times put my little yellow line on there. We get the breakout through there. So it's it works sometimes. Definitely helps to be a trending market. It's interesting too because remember yesterday at 10:20 we got that breakout. That was also, we were holding the 14 EMA. We broke out there. We pushed up about 100 points there. We had another pullback here, another bull flag. We took this trade actually, this bull flag from the 911s and pushed up there. So I mean, there is no indicator in the entire world that will tell you exactly when to buy and sell, but I think it's interesting to play around with. It's free. Check it out. Lux Algo, market flow, trend lines, and liquidity on TradingView if you want to. But yeah, we're just sitting back here waiting and watching right now. NASDAQ putting in, once again, another lower high here. I would say in a normal market, we should sell down and take out this 30 level there next. But also keeping an eye on Nvidia right now. I don't know why, but I still just like, I'm feeling like, I feel like it's a trap. I just feel like it's a trap right now. So I got too many feelings right now. I got too many feelings up in here. I don't know what it is. I don't like when I have this many feelings. I don't like it. Wow. Looks a little trappy. Look at that. Hey, sometimes your feelings will save you, baby. If you're looking for a long opportunity, I think pretty much just wanting to get back above. You want to get back above this level, right? We knew that level there earlier, that 90 level was support for that move. We broke the downside. If you're looking to get long, I feel like you got to just be patient and get that push back up above that VWAP, get back above that 90 level. So Wreck-It Ralph, feeling equals bad, trading your system equals good. Well, I had a feeling that this was going to be a trap, so I think it worked. Amazing content, Patrick. Thank you. Is there any course or books you might recommend so one can walk your path? I'm actually working on a Patrick Wieland book very soon, actually. You guys want to see a sneak peek of the cover? Y'all want to see a sneak peek? I'll show you a little sneak peek. I'll show you a little sneak peek of the Patrick Wieland book. Who would have thought Patrick Wieland writes a book? I know. ICT's writing a fucking memoir about his, like, I don't even want to say, I don't even know what the fuck he's writing about, but yeah. There's my, I like this. I like this, They misspelled my name, by the way. It's not IE. Funded futures, baby. The beginner's guide to becoming a funded trader. And the best part is, guess what? Everybody that's watching the YouTube right now, the live stream, you're gonna get it for free. You're gonna get it for free, don't you worry. Everybody that's watching the live stream, you're gonna get it for free. That's right. We'll talk more about it once it's done and released, but right now, the NASDAQ, we're staying out of the trap. I would love to do a Netflix TV show one day. I've thought about it. I've talked to some producers and stuff. Maybe that's the next iteration of Patrick Wieland. Well, right now the NASDAQ just playing the range here. Trapping both up and down now. Lordy, lordy. No way this dude is getting on Netflix. Okay. Yeah, bro. Guess what? I'm gonna get on Netflix. It's not even hard to get on Netflix, you dumb fuck. It's really not, though. Like, you make a TV show and basically Netflix will put it on their platform. They won't pay you for it. It's like, it's not fucking Hey, CB, I'm gonna help you out, little buddy. I love how y'all think that in my dreams. Like, what? Like, of all the people who could not have a fucking Netflix show, would you not think that Patrick Wieland... You don't think that Patrick Wieland, of all the people out there, could make a TV show? Come on. Guess what? Hey, you know what's funny? You know what's real funny? When I first started my YouTube channel, you know what everyone told me? They said, Patrick, you'll never fucking make money as a trader. Patrick, no one's gonna watch your videos on YouTube. Nobody's gonna watch your videos on YouTube, Patrick. You're a fucking loser. Nobody cares. That's what they told me. And here we are, 7 years later. 7 years later, think about this. And look at how many fucking views I've gotten. 32 million views. 245,000 subscribers. YouTube's paid me $342,000. The first year, I make like no money, and then you make a little bit more money, and then I was slack in 2022, and then look at the pickup, baby, the pickup. We're actually a little bit on the downward triangular motion because the live streams don't make much money, to be honest. The ad revenue from the live streams is pretty low. So, yeah. 32 million views. Who can't have a Netflix? Who can't? Get the fuck out of here, you losers. But there you go. 32 million views, baby. Woo! How'd he get so good? How'd he get so good? The subscribers. I've lost more subscribers than most people have made. I've lost them. Trying to see who... look at that. 38% of the people that watch me are 25 to 34 years old. That's cool to see. Gender. It's actually impressive, to be honest. It's impressive, actually. Look at the stats. 6% of the total views are female. Shit. Oh, 6%. The women are out there. They do watch. But obviously trading is a very male-dominated industry. They say that women are actually more better traders than men, supposedly. Looking at the cities here. Let's see where my top city is in the world. New York, who would have thought? New York, Los Angeles, London, Chicago, Houston. Not Miami. That's actually impressive. Miami's all the way down there. Look at that. That's wild. The top views come from New York, Los Angeles, London, Chicago, some India in there, Singapore. Most of the views coming from United States, India, Canada, United Kingdom, and Germany, Australia. So pretty much 50% of the views coming from the USA. I guess I know who my target is. My target audience. Looks like the India is mostly bots. What's the smallest country? Colombia, Taiwan, Vietnam, South Korea. What about North Korea? Where's the North Korea at? They ain't there. Hey, look what's happening, guys. Look what's happening. Look what's happening right now. Y'all seeing this? Y'all told me to get short down there. Everyone told me to get short in the chat. What happened? What happened to you guys? What happened to the people telling me to get short in the chat? Let's do a poll. Do we make a new high? New high? Or dump? Let's see. Let me know in the chat. Chat, chat, chat. Chat, chat, chat. Ah. You guys are on YouTube as well. Everyone's gonna see if you say dump. Who's getting short? Who's getting long? Do you let your girlfriend drive the McLaren? It's not that I wouldn't let her drive it. It's just like, it's kind of intimidating to drive. It's very loud and very aggressive. So the chat right now, 60% say up, 39% down. Oh God, I don't like that. I don't like the fact, I was hoping that the chat would be more bearish because then I would get long. But now that the chat is more bullish, now I'm worried. Now I'm worried. Now I'm worried. I kind of want to try a long here, maybe in the eval, just to see if I got the right idea or not. You know, I'm kind of like, I don't really want to risk real money, but I kind of just want to play it here. See if we break out through this level. We'll just grab it. Like I said, it's in the eval account. I think we want to push up here through the hundreds, so. Dollar's pulling back. I got a bad entry there, actually. Could have got a better entry down there in the 85s, but I think we'll go straight up through the hundreds now. Almost there. Let's put this a little higher. Let's see if we can go higher. I would have gotten filled there, by the way. We'll see if we get that new high. How about that? That'll make it fun. Let's go for the new high here. I guess I should have taken this in the real account. Damn it. Damn it. She's pushing, boys. I gotta go to the bathroom now. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll come back and see if this hits all-time high. What do you think? Or not all-time high, but breaking the high from earlier there. Oh, I was hoping it was gonna go just straight up there. By the way, we talked about this key level right here, the 90s getting back above there, and well, the bulls came in there. We got back above the VWAP, we got back above the hundreds here. We were talking about, I was like, I just did not like the shorts down here. I was like, this is not, I don't want to get short down there. So, you know, just putting that out there. Did not want to get short there. Trying to think about maybe adding 5 more contracts here. If we dip it down again into this low 90 area. What do we get to a high of? 106 is... All right. Can we continue to push? I added there on that pullback. Look to see if we go right through the 10s now. I only really need like 11 area, 10 area right here. Maybe even like right there, 109 area right there. Dollar's pulling back. NVIDIA stuck at the VWAP right now. Oh, God. We got NVIDIA stuck at the VWAP there. Get the NVIDIA's got to get through the VWAP. Jeff Kim just said, see you at 19,000s. Okay. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me, Jeff Kim. 19,000. NASDAQ just trying to turn this 90 area into support again. The dollar is right there at that pivot point. Oh, got to get back above the hundreds here. Back above that 19,100 area. We're holding right there. We're holding. She's trying to push. I probably didn't need to add another one where I did, but hey, it's entertainment. We're entertaining over here, people. The entertainment is real. Can you take me higher? Oh, she wants to. You got to get right through that 90. Got to get through that 100 area right here, right now. Boner candle to the upside, possible, but boner candle. Come on, boner it, motherfuckers. Oh, flaccid. It went flaccid. NASDAQ needs more Viagra. Hit him up. Bow, 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 bow. That's a 14 EMA on my chart. Don't celebrate yet. Don't celebrate yet. It's, oh God. She wants it. She wants it. Oh God. Come on, you little fuckers. Come on, you little fucker. Oh, little fucker. The NASDAQ right now is getting held down. You need that NVIDIA push. If the NVIDIA can just push straight up here, NASDAQ's going through the 10s. Just wondering if you would recommend live streaming to young people as a career, as a life path. No, terrible idea. Don't do that. Please don't. Be anything but a live streamer. Go help the world. I don't know. Do something better. This is not a draw. This is not a career. It just sucks you dry, man. Just takes it out of you. Just takes it right out of you. Look at that. NVIDIA trying to push. She's trying to push. What'd I tell you? Get it through there, boys. Get it through there. Oh, you son of a bitch. We're either going big or we're going home. We're either going big or we're going home, boys. Dollar just dumped. Kev FX, bro. If I listened to every fucking person in the chat that told me to take profit or to not short or to do... Like, I am not here to listen to you, motherfucker. You are here to listen to me. Remember this. It's Patrick Wieland. It says motherfucking Patrick Wieland on the motherfucking channel. It don't say Kev FX. Nobody gives a fuck about your opinion. All right? All right. Ah. But Patrick. All right, it's either gonna go or it's gonna not. The VWAP down there at the 84s, I don't love it down there. I'm a little worried about the VWAP now. This fucking VWAP. We got the London close coming up here at 11, so hopefully we can get that much needed pressure to get through this 100 level. Again, back to the 95, 94s. And right off that level, my entry now turning into support, at least. My entry turning into support. Oh, God. Just do it already, NASDAQ. NVIDIA just holding us down right now. We need that NVIDIA pop. Take me higher, NVIDIA. Take me higher. Will you take me? Oh my God. The problem is, if I take profit right here, you know it's gonna go higher. You know it's gonna go higher if I take profit right here. Fuck. Fuck. Doomed. I'm doomed. What a little cunt. What a little cunt. This is just madness right now. Little cunt. I probably should have taken profit up there. I would have taken profit. It wasn't for the live stream right now, but you guys, you forced me. So I'm out. Like I said, that was an Apex evaluation. It's all good. $16, is it $20 for the evals right now? Oh God. And look at that, pulling back to the VWAP, just like we thought it would do. Just couldn't get through there for now. Oh my God. The trap is real. Look at this, motherfuckers. But Patrick. This didn't work out there that time. Either way, we're still walking away in the green. Patrick, if you zoom out on the 5-minute, that was a horrible long. I know. Everybody's a fucking genius in the chat. I know. I know. I know. Everybody's sucking a genius. I'm an idiot. I got no idea what I'm doing. How did I have so much green today? How? What am I gonna do? How will I ever survive? How will I ever survive this? What will I ever do? I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to sell the McLaren. I'm gonna have to sell the McLaren now. I gotta sell the. I can't even afford to charge the Humvee. I can't even afford to charge the Hummer. I'm broke. He's broke. I do want to say my original plan was to take profit above the 100. I got a little greedy. It's part of it. It's all good. Down there to the VWAP. NVIDIA just holding us down there, man. NVIDIA holding us down with the VWAP there. Now this is gonna fucking shoot back up. Any reason for trading in the garage? Because I'm fucking broke, bro. I spent all my money. I bought the cars, and now I can't afford a house, so I live in a garage. Oh, it hurts. Oh, I'm so poor. The reason I trade in the garage is because the rest of my house has shit in it. I got my bedroom, I got an extra bedroom, the third bedroom, I got all my fishing stuff in it. I don't know why it's so hard to understand. All right, like people think like, oh, he's poor. He's in a garage. He's so poor. What is he gonna do? Oh my God, he's so poor. Oh no, how'd you get so poor, Patrick? He's so poor. He trades in his garage. Oh my God. And look at that, off of the fucking VWAP again. J trades fishing shit in your living room. Well, go fuck yourself. I fish. I have a full-on fishing team. I got a whole fucking program, bro. Well, I'm on another level. Some people fish for fun. I fish to make money. To make money. How much do you rent the condos for? Like $2,000, depends. One bedroom of condo. I've literally made more money from fishing than all of my competition has made from trading this year. So think about that. Got close to $300,000 in tournament winnings fishing. So I'm poor. All right, the NASDAQ once again up there to the 100 level. Now that we've done this manipulation, now we're going to run the highs. Classic. Where's the guy that said we're going to 1900? 19,000 flat. Where'd he go? Come back. Pat's lying. It's his mom's garage. My mom's dead, and she was she overdosed on heroin. So yeah, definitely not my mom's garage. Thank you for that, though. I love when people talk shit about my mom. Like, oh, you think you're so cool? She died in 2021 or 2020. So you're a badass. His price action right now. Why? Why? I don't know why people are curious about the idea, why I trade in, guys, you gotta remember, I need a full, I need a full setup. It's also just easier to get me out in the garage. Then I have my own area, it's quiet, I don't have to worry about anybody else, and you know, like, people like, someone's gonna say that I'm like poor because I'm trading in my garage? I don't know. Like, I chose to trade in the, you know, like what? It's just weird. I think this still wants to go higher. Yes, I have a AC unit in the garage. Why do you care so much about what chat chats? Well, I mean, it is live. We are live on YouTube right now, so I'm not reading this in hindsight. Why do I use the 14 EMA? I don't know. I've just always kind of used it, I guess. I don't really know exactly. I feel like it follows price action pretty well. This is the VWAP on there right now, that blue line, by the way. The NASDAQ just going really nowhere right now. Just saying, with all the stuff you own, you need a bigger house. I don't really think so. I don't really need a bigger house. To be honest, I got a 3-bedroom house on the water. 2-car garage. I mean, it's just, you know, me and Victoria, so I'll be all right. I'd rather have bigger boats, more cars, and buy more investment properties than pay more money for a bigger house. What lake? Lake Atlantic Ocean? I live on the Atlantic Ocean? I got the condo. The condo deal is done. They accepted my offer. I got it $9,000 under asking. NASDAQ once again off the VWAP here, just tropping here. What other investments are you looking to invest into for the later part of this year? I'm just trying to buy as many short-term rental properties as possible, basically. Probably try to buy like 2 or 3 more this year. Is the tournament bass fishing? Are you trolling me right now? I'm not fucking bass fishing. We go out in the ocean, bruh. Why does this want to break out? It looks like it wants to break out. Dollar's looking weak. NASDAQ wants to push here. How do you day trade so much without burning out your brain from all the anxiety of staring at the charts? Winning? I don't know. I want to win, baby. Fuck the anxiety. Nvidia still stuck below the VWAP. Nvidia's bouncing off that pivot point there. The NASDAQ holding up here for now. Does Victoria fish? She comes with us. Catch some fish every once in a while. I wouldn't say she's like a fisherman, but she likes going out in the boat. Dollar's looking weak. Nasdaq's still holding up here. Just got to get through that 100 area again. She don't go nowhere. Nasdaq getting real tight here. Which way are we gonna go? Break through the VWAP, head lower, or go to the highs? Ooh. I think a break above that 95 level gets the party started. We just got to get some push. There's that 95 push. Will the buyers start to percolate here? Right now, we're looking at the 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart on the NASDAQ. Going absolutely nowhere. Good day to go to lunch at Chipotle early. It's 11 o'clock. Time for Chipotle. Time for Chipotle. Nasdaq back down to the VWAP once again. Oh, man. How many times can we bounce off the VWAP here? How many times can we get stuck up there? $1 million question. Nvidia just right now is going nowhere. All right. It's time to walk away. It's over. It's not. Now that I'm going to walk away, it's going to go, but I'm going to just walk away for you guys. So hopefully it'll move later on. But if you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Hit it up, blow it up. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace to the Middle East. Make sure you tune in tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. Things are going to get wild, wild, wild.